Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing this soft glam bronze makeup look. Very simple, very easy, and I'll show you guys how to do it as I go. Thank you guys so much for your support, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure to tell your friends to also tell their friends to do the same as well. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
Alright, hey everybody, so I did my eyebrows because I can never do them on camera, and now we're going to go in for the eyes. So this is going to be featuring the Gold Rush palette by Profusion. I just got it today, so I'm really excited to use it. But first we're going to start off with the True Complexion Contour Palette. Definitely not meant for your eyes, but I still use them for my eyes anyways. I'm just going in with the darkest shade, and I'm putting that on my crease. Alright, so this is Black Radiance's newer palette. This is the dark to deep. The first one was medium to dark, but this one's dark to deep, and I'm so excited to use this one. I'm going to be taking the darker shade and I'm putting that on my outer crease. So this color ended up looking darker than I expected, so then I went back in with the first shade and I just used that to blend it all out because I wasn't going for a smoky eye. I was more going for a soft glam, and darker shades isn't really what we want for this look, at least. So then I'm going in with Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define in the color 14.5, and I'm putting that in the back of my hand, but I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer's tip to do the cut crease. It's a very slight cut crease, nothing too hard, nothing too fancy. Using this tip though, I feel like I have more control rather than using a brush. So as you can see, I've done that, and now I'm going to go in using the Gold Rush palette with the color Focus. And I'm going to be putting that on my eyelid, so just on top of where we put that concealer. And now to blend everything in, I'm taking that darker shade that we used from the medium to dark palette, so the first color that we used. And with that, I'm just going to blend out everything together, also blending out that outer crease color, the one that was really dark. Now I'm going to be taking this Black Radiance Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup in the color Haute Cocoa, and I'm going to be using that for my foundation today. This is also a new shade that I recently found, so I'm really excited to try this out. Not my first time using it, but for a video it is. And with Mario Badescu's Rose Water on my brush, I'm just going to be blending out that makeup. So then I'm going to be going back in with Makeup Revolution's concealer, the same color 14.5, and I'm just going to be concealing under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And after I apply the concealer, my face is going to end up looking like this. Alright, so yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Whenever I blend my concealer, I like to make sure I blend like extremely under that eye, only because I feel like it just makes my makeup look so much more brighter, and I look a lot more awake, especially if I end up doing my makeup in the morning and I'm really tired. So I forgot to show it in the video, but I did show it earlier. I'm going in with the Black Radiance's medium to dark palette, the lighter color in that, and I'm just using that to slightly bake. So this is after I've highlighted and contoured and everything. I'm just going in with my brush and Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'm just setting everything, putting it all in place all at once. So I'm taking a deep breath here because I'm trying out NYX's Butter Gloss in the color Cinnamon Roll for the first time, and it ended up looking a lot pinker than I wanted it to be. So then I just went in with a pencil just to kind of line my bottom lip to make it a little more darker, and then eventually I went in with my other NYX's Butter Gloss in the color Ginger Snap, my go-to 100%, and then I got the look that I wanted. Just showing you the difference in colors that I used. This is Cinnamon Roll, and then this is Ginger Snap. So I purposely changed the lighting for this part, but this is the final look, you guys. Very simple, very easy, soft glam makeup look. Once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all later.
Yeah. yeah, 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 yeah.